Hey guys, I have a quick unboxing video for you today. I have my lovely assistant, my niece Lily, with me to help today. So she's gonna help us get all this cool stuff out of the box. And then probably on Friday, once I get a chance to compare it to the old planner, I'm going to be doing a review video. So let's get into this box. I ordered a bunch of new covers too because they just had a buy one, get one sale. So I'm gonna have Lily open the box and let's check out what's inside. This is the 2019-2020 Erin Condren LifePlanner. Okay, Lil, so you can open it up. They always package it so beautifully. And let's see, we got a couple. We got our stickers in the front. This is from the new Kaleidoscope that is the theme for this year. I think it's just called Kaleidoscope. There's nothing, yeah, I think it's just the Kaleidoscope. So this is the Kaleidoscope sticker. Here's a Kaleidoscope postcard. We always get a sticker and a postcard. This one's really cute. I like this one a lot.
Oh, it's pretty.
Yeah, do you like it? What do you think, Lils?
I like it.
You like the color pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is their new pattern. So every year they come out with a different pattern, and this year is Colorful Kaleidoscope or something like that. So, all right, so you can peel this apart, and let's see what we got inside. You know, you can just rip it like a birthday present. Yeah, there we go. All right. So there have been quite a few changes to the new Erin Condren LifePlanner this year, and so that's why I'm not going to combine the unboxing and the review into one video, because there are so many changes with the packaging and how you buy stuff. So I'm actually going to do those two videos separately. So I got a bunch of accessories, and I'll go through that in just a second. So, okay, Loz, you can pull those out. Just pull that top accessories out. Yep, and set that to the side. And we're going to go over those in just a second. We got some dogs wrestling behind us, which is the norm in my videos. And then, okay, Lily, you can pull this out. And then, so the Erin Condren, oh, we got a bunch of covers under here too. So let's set this down so you can set that on top. So Erin Condren this year changed up kind of what comes in the box, and the Life Planner now comes inside this like light cardboard storage package thing, which the jury is still out for me on how useful I think this is going to be. But Lils, can you pull that center part out for me? Yeah, slide it out, and we'll see the planner inside. Let's see. Hold on. So lift this. Yeah, there we go. So it kind of pops out like a sleeve. And there we have it. This is our new Erin Condren LifePlanner for the year. This is all the stuff. So I'm not really thrilled about the fact that it no longer comes with the snap-in pouch. So this is all the stuff that used to come inside the snap-in pouch, which we have. Oh, this is a label for the storage box, so you can put the year on it. We got a label. We got some of those compliment cards. Puppies, must you wrestle right behind us?
Must.
I know. Gosh. Some stickers and a little postcard kind of going over what's in the planner this year. Let's actually look at the planner. Oh, this is so beautiful. What do you think, Lily?
I really like it. I really like how the detail is kind of in the shape of a flowery diamond.
Yeah, kind of a flowery diamond. I agree. So that's their Kaleidoscope planner for the year. Let's look out. Will you move that box for me?
Yeah.
No, just this one. I'm gonna leave this up here. Ooh, what do you like? Do you like this ruler?
Yeah.
Looks a little different. The other rulers, so in years past, and pretty much all the time I've owned Erin Condren, it's been a clear ruler. I know at the very, very beginning it was a white ruler. Can you guys hear them? You guys are being so loud. Stop it. Okay, so in the years past it's been a clear ruler. This is a frosted ruler with kind of a design, like the Kaleidoscope gemstone design on it. I got just the regular cover that launched with the planner with my name on it, and I'll really get into this when I do my review, when I compare the 2018-2019 to the 2019-2020 planner. But yeah, this is just an Erin Condren planner. So like I said, all right, Liz, let's grab our accessories. Okay, so now we're gonna go through the accessories. So Lils, why don't you pull the first thing off and turn it up? Yeah, there we go. So this is our let's put it down. It's very, very cloudy and rainy today, so we don't have great lighting, but this is the Metallic Mini Snap-In Bookmarks, which she's had these for a few years. I've never bought them, but because I use my notes section in the back as a bullet journal now, which I'll be doing a separate video on how I bullet journal in the Erin Condren, an updated version of that. So I use these to kind of indicate where there's different important parts in my bullet journal, so that's why I got these this year. These are the snap-in coil connectors, and this is what I'm going to use to attach my Plan For It pouch. So like I said, this Plan For It pouch, this is the snap-in pouch that Erin Condren used to always include in her planners. For some reason they stopped including them this year. I don't know why, because I find them very, very useful. So I had to purchase this separately, so I got the Plan For It pouch and a set of snap-in connectors so that we can attach this to the planner like normal. I got a new set of sticky notes. Yeah, I thought these were really cute, so I got a new set of these sticky notes. And then I also like to use these big plastic pieces behind the sticky notes with the plastic tab here as a divider in my planner, in my notes section, my bullet journal section. So when I'm done with these sticky notes, I keep that plastic tab and use it as a divider.
They all match the planner. They
do. Isn't that a beautiful thing about Erin Condren, is that everything matches and looks nice. Like this matches right here. This matches the cover that we just got. This is the designer sticker book for this, let's see, Classic Collection Edition number 5. This is the newest sticker book that I don't own. I own, I think, all of them at this point. And I think in the fall, they are going to be releasing the monthly yearly sticker book that they release for every month. So here are our new covers. It's really not good lighting. I'm sorry, you guys. There we go. Okay, you can see it a little bit better now. This one is Lily's favorite, right?
Yeah.
This is the astrology cover. I am an Aries, and so I got the Aries cover with I think this is like a teal color, the black and the white. And this cover, I've wanted this one for a while. I just wasn't sure on what colors I wanted to do. And then I was like, this totally looks like a Halloween cover. So why not get orange on the leaves and make it look Halloween-y? I think it looks pretty Halloween-y. What do you think?
I think it looks very Halloween-y. Like, it's very black. It looks like the trees are in the very dark, like in Halloween.
Yeah.
And, like, that's more like in the fall. It's like, because Halloween is more like in the fall.
That's right. That's exactly right. And then this one was just too pretty. This was like, it reminded me of a pretty, like, I don't know, I thought of like an Italian kitchen. So I really like the lemons on there, and the color was really pretty, the blue, like a periwinkle almost. And I'll probably stick this one on for the month of August.
It was like a very pretty blue sky. I thought of it as a summery one.
Yep, I think it's a perfect summer cover. And then I got this one because my college that I went to, Washington State University. Hi, Rex, making an appearance. Hi, handsome. Washington State University, our colors are crimson and gray, and the old school jerseys and hats that they have a big gray W on them. So I just thought this was really cool for football season when it finally comes back. Alright guys, so that is all for our unboxing video. We got a lot of cute stuff to go through. I'm going to do a comparison video probably, like I said, on Friday. And we can talk about all the changes that she made this year, because there were a lot of changes, so especially to the interior. So we're going to go through all of that when I do my comparison on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye.